Hey, it's Mike with Fresh Castle here. Just letting you know that I've actually been out checking out areas like this, mobile homes. I'm here in a little subdivision, just checking them out, putting flyers out on the doors, letting people know of our services. It's the best way to be able to get out there and let people know as you're driving through the community. Make sure to have flyers, make sure to send out your information, put them on doors, give calls to bandit signs with realtors, signs with people that need cleaning services. I try to be proactive as much as possible to go ahead and let everybody know of my services. As a business, it's very important. I'll touch on this on like other videos to where I'll go ahead and put signs on gas pumps with an unsolicited number, that way so I can get calls. Everybody's at a gas pump. Communities, you're going to see realtor signs for sale, for rent. Call property management, call realtors, call home builders, people like that. You can be very specific as far as who you're going for. But if I'm driving by and I'm seeing homes like this for sale, homes like this for lease right here, I might as well just put a flyer on the door, making sure they know of my services, because you never know who could need them. We call us out, make sure that if they need cleaning needs, we're a very customized service. We need those jobs to come in, need money to come in. Best ways to be able to let people know of what we do, and also to get that business. So always giving out my techniques. You can see how we come up, Fresh Castle comes up to make sure to provide for the neighborhood, for the community. So if you got homes like this that need cleaning, if you got an apartment, if you're moving into a home, give us a call. 210-900-7926. That's Mike with Fresh Castle. Definitely give us a call. Let us know if you like these kind of videos. I like to give out insight, knowledge on how I do my business, how I run and do things. That way so I can give that out to people that are starting a business, starting a cleaning service, been doing it for a while. Pin off each other as far as great techniques. I love to work with other business owners. So you can go ahead and subscribe to us. You can go ahead and give us a follow. If you want to put in some comments, I'll comment back. But we're out here in San Antonio, Texas. That's Mike with Fresh Castle. We're your #1 cleaning solution.